The next button that I'm going to talk about is specifications. Now, specifications are related to plate grades and material grades. If you have used Steel Designer Pro in the past, you will find that the specifications feature will allow you to be able to put grades against plates. But what we've also found that when you actually mix your project with different materials, and the materials are obviously got different grades, the thicknesses might be the same. In the past, it used to find the thickness of the material and assign the plate grade to that plate. So if you had, say, an aluminium plate or a stainless steel plate and a carbon steel plate, and they were all 20 thick, they would all get the same grade. We've now added into our specifications, if you click on the specifications button, a method of being able to obtain the material within the component. That material is looked up by the materials database. In our materials database, we've got a list of all the different materials that we can choose from, and then we can filter from them in the filtering process and then select it and then use it. We've also added in templates, so you can actually start filling in your plate thicknesses, your materials and your grades, and then you can save it and set it as a template. That means that when you come to your next project and you've set up your project in such a way that you've got your mark settings for your components set, you've got your welded member set, then you can set your specifications for your plates by using a template that you may have already created. Once you use the template, remember to update the specifications to add it to the database so that the project now recognizes that you have these specifications in place. So when you do a consolidation, it will automatically determine from the plate's thickness based on the bounding box and assign a grade to that plate. If you select your plates, the next button will automatically run through the process of updating the project specifications that you've currently set.